Before I forget it, I'm going to go straight up here and create the validate email function. So function validate email, and early brackets there. I'll jump back and do that. And in here, I'm going to take the argument. I'm just going to call it mail. So I'm passing up this email check. So basically, when I target the email box, I get its value. So get the email. I put it in a variable called email check. I'm now passing email check up to this function validate email. So this now is going to check if my email is correct a little bit. So I'm going to create a variable called RE, which stands for some sort of regular expression here. Now I use this one because it's the smallest one I could find, so you won't make any mistakes. Plus it was actually in the pattern one that we had there. It's that's the @ symbol, sorry, backslash again, capital S plus backslash dot and backslash S, another plus, / and semicolon. So again, this idea here, and I'll just have a quick double check. That's / at the start and the end. They're like escape characters. / at the start and end. Make sure you've got a backslash S, capital S, and a plus. The @ symbol, another backslash S and plus, backslash again, and then a dot, and then backslash S and plus. And this is quite simply saying something like that you'll have some text before the @ symbol, like test. You'll have some text after the @ symbol, such as example, and you'll have something like text again, or string text after the dots, such as .ie, UK, .co, .gov, or something to that effect. Now what we need to do is, I'm just going to put a little alert box here, so we can test this. I'm going to use this kind of syntax here to test it. Basically, I'm going to grab the mail. This is this regular expression is a standard form, but there's a number of different ones you can use here. But basically, it's got a method. You've got a test method that can go and take that email and now test whether it's correct or not, and it will give you back true or false, true or false. And I'm going to return that from the function in. So I'm going to return that actual answer, whatever we get there, whether it is true or false. And we can see that working shortly. Maybe we'll have a test of it in the next video. So pause your video, make sure you get that down correctly there for trying to validate your email, which is one of the hardest things to do.